Alaikum all you are India student. Today we have very interesting and logical question. X plus 3 whole cube is equal to 7 minus x. How we can calculate the value of x is unknown. Very interesting and logical question. Here we are using the cubic formula a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. According to this formula, we are applying in here a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. According to this formula, we are open the first term and here x cube plus 3 cube plus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into ax and b square is equal to 7 minus x. According to this formula, we are apply in here. So we are simplify 3 cube. We get here 27 plus 3 multiplied by 3 9 9x square plus 9 9 multiplied by 27. So we get 27x. And also we transfer this result to the left side. Their sign is also changed. Minus 7 and plus x is equal to 0. Now we arrange according to the cubic terms and here. So x cube plus 9x square and this will be 27 and plus 28x and here constant 27 minus 7 we get plus 20 is equal to 0. Now we try to give the name here and letter polynomial of px. We give the name in here x cube plus 9x square plus 28x plus 20. Now we try to put the value of x is equal to 0 plus minus 1 and plus minus 2 up to so on. Now we substitute the result first by inspection directly method. X is equal to 0, we get 20. Similarly, if we are finding in here, we put plus 1, so the result is also 1 and this will be 9 and this will, so the result is not coming to 0. So we get in here x put directly. If we put x is equal to minus 1, so p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube plus 9 into minus 1 whole square plus 28 into minus 1 plus 20. Now if we put in here, we get the result is minus 1. We put p of minus 1, we get in here minus 1 3 times, we get in here plus we get 9 and minus 28 plus 20. So if we add this result, so minus 1 and minus 28 minus 29 and 9 plus 20, so we get is 29. Both are cancelled, so it satisfies. It means that x plus 1 is a factor. It means that here, so x plus 1 is a factor. Now using synthetic division method. Synthetic division method to apply. Now we are, according to the synthetic division method, we are taking the coefficient of the highest variable, and here highest variable is x cube, so we are, their coefficient is 1 and here is 9 and 28 and 20. Now we are finding their quotient from x plus 1 is a factor and we divide this vector as -1. We bring the same term, and here is 1. 1 is multiplied by this one, we get -1. We get 9 minus 1. We add this one, 8. We get similarly again, we are 8 multiplied by, we get -8. We get 20. If we again we multiply in here, so we get -20. The result is 0. This is the remainder. So now this is the value of c, and this is the coefficient of x variable, and this is the coefficient of x square variable. Now we are reduces, this is in the quotient form. Quotient form, so we can quotient form is equal to 1x square plus 8x plus 20 is equal to 0. This is the quotient form. We reduces. Now we try to solve this quadratic equation. We can apply in here. So here we are comparing with the quadratic equation. Bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the value of a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 8 and c is equal to 20. Now using quadratic formula, according to the quadratic formula, minus b plus minus b square minus 4 into ac divided by 2a. If we substitute the result of a, b, c in the above formula, so minus 8 plus minus 8 square minus 4 into a 1 and c is equal to 20 divided by 2. So x is equal to minus 8 plus minus, this will be, we get in here 64 and minus 80 divided by 2. Now we get in here x is equal to minus 8 plus minus, we get minus 16 divided by 2. X is equal to minus 8 plus minus 16 iota square. In replace of minus, we get iota square. So divided by 2, x is equal to minus 8 plus minus, we can write 4 iota whole square root divided by 2. So further we can simplify this result, minus 8 plus minus, this will be cancelled with 4 iota divided by 2. Now we are taking common, 2 is taking common, minus 4 plus minus 2 iota divided by 2. 2 multiplied by 4 we get minus 8 and 2 multiplied by 2 we get 4 divided by 2. Now 2 are cancelled to each other. Now this 2 and 2 are cancelled, we get the solution minus 4 plus minus 2 iota. So we get 2 solution in here, 3 solution, because the equation is x1 is equal to minus 1 and x